Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today class I will take about athletics. What is athletics? Athletics is a group of sporting events that involves competitive running, jumping, throwing and walking. The most common types of athletics competitions are track and field, road running, cross country running and race walking. But today I will talk about running events. Running events include sprint, 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter, middle distance, 800 meter, 1500 meter, long distance, 3000 meter, 5000 meter, 10,000 meter, hurdles, 110 or 100 meters, 400 meters, relay, 4 into 100 meters and 4 into 400 meters. Marathon. First, sprint. Sprint is running over a short distance in a limited period of time. It is used in many sports that incorporate running. Typically has a way of quickly reaching a target or goal, or avoiding or catching an opponent. A sprint is a short running race in a track and field competition. There are generally three different sprint distance: 100 meter, 200 meter and 400 meter. The original Olympic events races was a sprint of around 180 meter. Next, middle distance running. Middle distance running events are track race longer than sprints up to 3000 meters. The standard middle distance are the 800 meters, 1500 meters and mile run. Also, the 3000 meters may also be classified as a middle distance event. The international competition middle distance race include the 800 meters, the 1500 meters and the 3000 meters. Next, long distance race. A long distance race is any running event or the track that is longer than 3000 meters. This includes such events as the 3000 meter run, the 3000 meter, 3200 meter run, and the 2 mile run, the 3 mile runs, 5000 meter run, 5 mile runs, 6 mile run, and 10,000 meter run, and so on. Next, relay. A relay race is a racing competition where members of a team take run competing part of race course or performing a certain action. Relay race take the forms of professional race and games. Relay race are common in running, swimming, cross country, ice skating, etc. Relay race, also called relay, a track and field sports consisting of a set number of stages, usually 4, each leg run by a different member of a team. The runner finishing one leg is usually required to pass on a baton to the next runner while both are running in a marked exchange zone. The two most commonly relay race is track and field are the 400 meter and 4 into 400 meter race, in which 4 athletes run 100 meter and 400 meter each respectively. A less common relay is the sprint medley relay, usually consisting of 4 legs run at distance of 400, 200 and 800 meters. 4 into 100 meters relay. The 4 into 100 meters relay or sprint relay is an athletics track event run in lane over one lap of the track, which 4 runners competing 100 meters each. The first runner must be in the same stagger as for the individual 400 meter race. A relay baton is carried by each runner. Now 4 into 400 meter relay. The 4 into 400 meter relay or a long relay is an athletics track event in which team consists of 4 runners who each complete 400 meter or a one lap. It is traditionally the final events of a track meet. At top class events, the first 500 meter is run in lane. Hurdle race. Hurdling sports is athletics track and event in which a runner race over a series of obstacles called hurdles. Hurdling is the act of running and jumping over an obstacle at speed. In the early 19th century, hurdles run at and jumped over each hurdles, landing on both feet and checking their forward motion. Now, marathon. The marathon is a long distance running event taking place over a course of 42.195 km, means 26 mile or 385 yards in length. The unusual distance of the marathon is a result of the 1908 Olympic Games in London, where the race distance was changed to 26 miles to cover the ground for Windsor Castle to the White City Stadium, with 385 yards added on so the race could finish in front of royal family viewing box. Next, walking events. Race walking is a special long distance race event in which the participant must walk as fast as they can while they are expected to maintain good form. The competitor and penalized of bending the knees has it pass under the body or having no foot to ground contact. The man complete in both 20 km and 50 km events. Women only in the 20 km events. Thank you children. Have a nice day.